Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube. Today we're talking about nervous networks, CKB, so let's get into this. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for being here. Hit me up on Twitter at Real6Fig if you're interested in anything that I'm doing or you want to stay updated on CKB or ICP or any of these other tokens. But we're here to look at CKB. Now, things are still looking really good with CKB. And as we look at this weekly chart, we can kind of see that we are showing a little bit of resistance right at this Ichimoku cloud conversion line. So this is kind of interesting to say the least, but I do think that CKB is still going to try to wander right up to about this 0.017-ish level. Now let's look at the daily chart so we can get an idea of where the 200 moving average is. And this is a really, really fun spot for price action to be at. So what's happened the last few days? We've had CKB really kind of stall out. And I was kind of hoping that this wouldn't happen. But at this point in time, we might be in the mood for some sort of head and shoulders pattern if we cannot make it through this Ichimoku cloud. It could be possible that we're going to see this price action come back down to this 0.011869-ish level before it makes another attempt to the upside. I do think that there could have possibly been some sort of Elliott wave theory that could be happening here on a bigger picture. But for now, I'm warning you that there is a clear neckline to the upside. So let's just hope this doesn't turn into a rising wedge. All I care about is that price action maintains this trend line and we get above this part of the Ichimoku cloud, about 0.0136-ish on the daily chart. That's all I really care about. We need to make it through this cloud to see price advance further. When we look at CKB on a 1 hour chart, let's see what we are looking at. Now, there is kind of enough data to possibly suggest that there could be some sort of ascending triangle that is forming here. There is also the idea that we could be seeing some sort of symmetrical triangle squeeze. So whatever this is, we'll just have to wait and find out. So I think that at this point in time, if we can get a bounce from these current levels, and I think that this is going to bounce simply based off the location of price action and this Ichimoku cloud. I do think that this thing's going to bounce maybe back up to about the 0.0132-ish level and maybe even up to this 0.013675-ish level. If we see a little bit of reversal at 1367, know that we might be in town to really build up this ascending triangle, which would be pretty sweet. It's not the biggest ascending triangle in the world, but it's a launching platform to see what happens. And I think a lot of the market right now, it's, the market sentiment is resting on this Bitcoin Miami conference. And I'm hoping that this isn't one of those buy the news or buy the rumor, sell the news events, because I've been seeing a lot of news kind of hyped up around this Bitcoin Miami event. And like the whole Apple Bitcoin thing, folks, it's the perfect event to attach rumors to. So I'm hoping that we do not see a big old head and shoulders pattern form here to strip us back down to the penny levels or lower. So really, that is CKB in a nutshell. I think we're going to be sitting okay, for the next few days. I will drop an update on CKB here in the next few days. If something wild starts going on with the market, you guys can always count on me to be here for you. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Thanks, guys, for supporting the channel. $3 a month will get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner See you guys all on the next video. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you're at in the world.